The last step in the sales process happens after you've made the sale. But it's important to know that there are a number of after-sales tasks that, if they get forgotten, or if you don't do them properly, they will compromise the sale that you worked so hard to achieve. The 5 after-sales tasks that I want to summarize are firstly payment and delivery, customer care, service and maintenance, and cultivating the relationship. That's broadly the order that you will do them in, but the order of 1 and 2, payment and delivery, will differ depending on the nature of the commercial arrangement you have, which probably depends to a degree on the products and services you sell, and to a degree on where it is that you're operating. Number 1, payment. What good is making a sale unless you get properly paid for it? A sale isn't over until you've received payment. I learned this early in my career, and I understand that in many businesses there are payments receivable departments, teams of people whose job it is to make sure that we receive the payment that is due. But I learned that as a salesperson, it was my responsibility to make sure that payment happened. I had the relationship with the customer. I'd made the sale. There was no one better than me because of that to make sure that we get paid. What you don't want is the relationship spoiled by heavy-handed payment chasing. Yes, that will always be an option, but it should never be your first choice. Number 2, delivery. Getting the goods and services to the customer on time in the way that they were promised is the core of good customer service and customer care. If you want any repeat sales, and I'm sure you do, then make this your responsibility too. Because without it, there will be no customer satisfaction and there will be no repeat business. Work closely with your customer to arrange this efficiently. Be their advocate with your delivery team and will build your relationship with them at the same time. Number 3, customer care. It's also your responsibility to manage the handover of the sales relationship to the customer care team to manage the customer care relationship. And here again, it's an important part of your job to act as the customer's advocate to make sure they get the best possible customer care. If they need something, make sure that they get it. This way, you become their trusted friend and supporter and the first person they turn to when they need something new. Number 4, service and maintenance. There's a pattern here, isn't there? The same thing is absolutely true for service and maintenance. Whether it's regular, proactive service and maintenance, or whether it's reactive service and maintenance if something goes wrong, make sure they get rapid support from the people who can fix their problems. If they trust you to act on their behalf to make things happen, and you ensure they do, you protect the relationship, you protect your businesses and your own reputation with them, and you make the next sale even more likely. So, let your new customer know that if they have any problems at all, they can contact you first and straight away, and you will make it your business to see that they get the help and support they need quickly and efficiently. Number 5, cultivate the relationship. Don't wait until things go wrong. Of course, acting as their advocate when they need support is going to build the relationship, but hopefully they will not need any support. Things will happen automatically. So don't wait for things to go wrong. be active in continuing the relationship and building the relationship. When things are going well, that's the best time to ask them how satisfied they are, because it reminds them of how good the service and the products they've received from you are. Psychologically, this means that they will transfer their good feelings about the service or the product onto you, the person who sold it to them. This will mean they will trust you more, and you will become the person they go to discuss future needs. So remember, the sales process doesn't end with the sale. The after-sales process is every bit as important, not just for maintaining the reputation of your organization, but for building the relationship to create the next sale and the next and the next. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great management courses videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep learning.